Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change aspect ratio in Canva. For that, first open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. Now it will lead you to a home page of your Canva website, and here on the top right corner, you can see create a design button. Click on it and choose your required template. Now after that, you can see different options here. On the left side, click on upload and upload your required photo. Here I have already uploaded this picture, so I'm going to use this picture as an example. Simply drag that picture into the base. Now after that, you can see edit image option on the top. Click on it, and here you can see this crop option. Click on crop. Now here you can see this different aspect ratio that you can choose from, or you can simply choose this freeform and reduce its size according to your preference. Now after you are done, click on this done button here, and this is it. Following this simple step, you have easily changed the aspect ratio in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.